In today's video, I'll show you how to add a guest on monday.com quickly and easily. This is perfect when you need to bring in clients, freelancers, or anyone outside your main team to collaborate on a specific project. Start by opening monday.com and heading to your workspace homepage. Once you're there, choose the project or board where you want your guest to collaborate. Make sure it's the right board, as your guest will only see the items inside the board you invite them to. After selecting the project, look toward the top right corner for the invite button. Click on it and you'll be taken to the member management window. Here you can either search for an existing member by name or email or add someone new. To add a new guest, choose the option to invite a new member by entering their email address. Type in their email carefully so the invitation goes through without any issues. Monday.com will then send them a guest invitation, giving them access only to the board you selected. This keeps your workspace secure while still allowing smooth collaboration. If your guest is not familiar with monday.com, it can help to send them a short message explaining what the project is about and what they'll be working on. This makes onboarding much easier and ensures they know where to start. Once the invitation is sent, you can check back later to confirm they've joined. Guests will appear with a clear label so you can easily distinguish them from full members. And that's it. You've successfully added a guest to your monday.com project. It's a simple and efficient way to bring outside contributors into your workflow while keeping everything organized and secure.